Hi everyone, welcome back to Essie Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chia water, and I use this when I'm traveling and I'm a little bit constipated because, to be honest, this works. It's full of fiber and omegas. Of course, if you have any real serious issues, chat with your doctor about that, but if you just want to try this out, let me know. Super easy. We only need a couple quick ingredients. 1 lemon, you could use a lime or even an orange, but lemon is really the best for this. And some chia seeds. We're going to put 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. This is what's going to help with digestion and constipation. Lots of fiber, so good for you. And 6 cups of filtered water. You can use whatever, and then just a pitcher to mix it in. So you can start with 3 tablespoons of chia seeds if you're not used to chia seeds, just to keep your digestion in order. I like to go with 4 per 6 cups of water. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I make this. But yeah, start slow with this and see how it goes for you. You don't want to overdo the chia seeds. More is not always necessarily better. Could make your digestion worse. So start with this and see how it goes for you. But yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I cut half the lemon into slices just because I like how that looks. It makes it more fun to drink. And then I left half of it for juicing. The reason I like to use lemon juice on this digestive drink is lemon juice in the morning helps to kickstart your stomach acid, so it does help with your digestion. Now I'm going to juice the other half of this lemon here, and then I'm going to be putting that in with the chia water. And if you love lemon, you can even put 2 whole lemons in here. Gonna put that juice in. Now I'm going to get my chia seeds. So 3 to 4 tablespoons, which is 1/4 cup if you're doing 4 tablespoons. Gonna add that right in. And now 6 cups of filtered water. And now we just want to give it a really good stir so there aren't any chunks. We want to leave it sit for 10 to 15 minutes just to thicken and create that gel-like consistency. Sip on it throughout the day, but we're going to do a few little finishing touches. Now, what I usually like to do is stir this every 5 minutes for 15 minutes just to make sure it's evenly combined. Give that another stir after a couple of minutes. Okay, before you serve this, you want to give it a stir because it does separate. Then you can just pour it into a glass, and like I said, start slow with this, maybe 1 glass, share this between people, and go from there. Okay, my mom and husband are going to try it out.
Taste test time. Very nice, lemony.
It is lemony.
My gut's gonna love me.
Mine too.
You can attest, we've been traveling and
It reminds me of
it does fix constipation.
like bubble tea, mini bubble tea.
Nice. Okay,
That's
great.
a good one.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe.